This 2017 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Lite 326RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stovetop burner, slide-out, TV, oven, leveling jacks, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, awning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Lite 326RL is 8,204 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.